Travel and tourism refer to the activities and industry related to people traveling to various destinations for leisure, recreation, business, or other purposes. It involves the movement of individuals or groups from one place to another, typically beyond their usual environment, and often involves an overnight stay. Travel can take many forms, including domestic and international travel, and can encompass a wide range of activities such as sightseeing, adventure, tourism, cultural exploration, relaxation, or attending events or conferences. It is an essential aspect of human life, offering opportunities for personal growth, relaxation, and building connections with different cultures and environments. Tourism, on the other hand, focuses on the industry and infrastructure that supports travel. It includes various components such as transportation, accommodation, attractions, activities, and hospitality services. The tourism industry encompasses businesses and organizations that provide services to travelers, including hotels, airlines, travel agencies, tour operators, restaurants, museums, theme parks, and more. The significance of travel and tourism is multifaceted. Economically, it contributes to the growth of local, national, and global economies, generating employment opportunities and income for individuals and communities. It stimulates trade, investment, and infrastructure development in destinations. Moreover, it plays a crucial role in cultural exchange, promoting understanding, tolerance, and appreciation of different societies, traditions, and lifestyles. Travel and tourism also offer individuals a range of benefits. It allows people to broaden their horizons, learn about diverse cultures and histories, and experience new perspectives. It provides opportunities for relaxation, rejuvenation, and escaping from the routines of daily life. Furthermore, travel can be a source of inspiration, personal fulfillment, and lifelong memories. However, travel and tourism can also have negative impacts, such as environmental degradation, cultural commodification, and over-tourism. In popular destinations, sustainable tourism practices aim to minimize these negative effects by promoting responsible travel, conservation of natural and cultural resources, and community engagement. In summary, travel and tourism encompass the activities, services, and experiences associated with people traveling to different destinations. It is a dynamic and diverse industry that contributes to economic growth, cultural exchange, and personal enrichment. By embracing sustainable practices, we can ensure that travel and tourism continue to thrive while preserving the world's natural and cultural heritage for future generations.